Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I use the two-step protein treatment from Aphogee, so stay tuned, like and subscribe.
I begin the process with freshly washed hair. Always make sure your hair is clean before you start the protein treatment. I begin applying the two-step protein treatment by pouring it into a spray bottle. Because the consistency of the product is liquidy, so it's hard to make sure that you cover everything and not get it all over yourself if you just pour it into your hair. And by the way, this stuff is extremely sticky, just a heads up. So I suggest you put a towel on yourself to cover your clothes or to cover your neck, because at the time that it dries, it turns into a sticky kind of honey consistency. Once you've coated all your hair with the product, then you use a blow dryer to dry your hair. Do not use a cap or anything, just leave your hair as it is and let it dry by itself. Once your hair is completely dry, it'll be very sticky and your hair will also be very hard. This is why I said earlier, go ahead and use a towel. So now the next step is to wash my hair and take all the product out. So once I've washed out the protein treatment, now is time for the next step, which is the balancing moisturizer. The balancing moisturizer improves manageability, softness, and shine to the hair after it has been treated. Once I'm done applying it everywhere and covering all my strands, I make sure to leave it on for 2 minutes. After the 2 minutes, I wash out the moisturizer, and it's amazing how soft and manageable my hair feels. But because I am a moisturizing freak, I will go ahead and deep condition with Innersense, and I'm using the hydrating mask, Repair and Revitalize. Once I'm done applying the hydrating hair mask, I use a hair cap to go under the dryer for 10 minutes. I found this hair drying cap on Amazon very cheap. I think I paid less than 20 bucks, but I will leave a link at the bottom of this video so you can purchase it if you're interested in getting it. Once I wash the deep conditioner out, it's time to style my hair. I first start by detangling my curls, making sure that there's no tangles. I then apply the Sweet Spirit leave-in conditioner. I then follow it by applying the Quiet Calm Curl Control. I love this cream because it's not oily and it's not heavy on my hair, which is something that I always look for in a cream. Once I'm done applying the Quiet Calm Curl Control, I scrunch my hair to start the pattern for the curls. Then I apply the I Create Hold, not a lot, I just use this a little bit just to coat the hair on top just to avoid any frizz. Now it's time to diffuse. I diffuse on medium heat and medium power only because I feel like if I use the high power, my hair would freeze up easier. So my results are beautiful bouncy curls. So if you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, follow my channel, and click the little bell to be notified whenever I have another video. Thank you for watching. Love you guys.